If they come to shut down the meat. Burnout! Full send, no doubt. So boys, it just made it to the car meet and look how it looks. It's packed already. So look at this. Listen to that. Oh my word. This thing is clean. We have a Carrera T and a Ferrari F8 as well. Would you pick a Carrera T over an F8 and a 296? Nice stuff. So starting here, we have an R34 V-Spec 2. Oh my word. XK RS 812. Another GTR R33 though this time. This thing looks nice. No, whenever there's a black BMW at a car meet, there's gonna be a bit of chaos. Hopefully there is. And we have a bagged R8. How nice does this look? A bagged R8. Quick start. Ribbit! We have a GT3 RS. How did I not see that? Here's the SLS. Here's the SLS. Here's the SLS. Here's the SLS. Feed. And what do we have here? And what do we have here? And what? I want to see how it lifts. That's what we want! Justice! Justice, boys! Justice! Listen to his 812. Listen to his 812. Listen to his 812. Let's see how this R8 does. Launch! Look how me this has turned out to be. See? And we have a GT4 RS. What a meet this has turned out to be. Eargasm after eargasm, boys.
Let's go. Jesus, the thing moves.
Let's see how the Daza does. Did you see the lady's face in their TTRs? That voltage moves. If they come to shut down the meat. Ooh, security. did try to give us a burnout. It just didn't work out, right? Another burnout! Nice! The Kia Cerato is giving us everything. Nice. We have a Roush Mustang. We have a Roush Mustang. Watch the crowd. Watch the crowd. He's giving it a burnout, but no smoke. Come on.
This is a BMW.
Let's let the Z4 launch. Let's see what it does.
Hey, he wants to.
One more. One more.
Oh, lovely.
You love to see it. I love this crowd. Come on. Burnout. This kid almost won it. Post-injury interview.
First of all, almost died.
Here comes the turbo and the SLS.
That one better do a burnout.
This SLS has to cause a bit of trouble. He's on the phone. Ooh, do I see an M2 with yellow TRLs? Do I see an M2 with yellow headlights? No, come on. Full send, no doubt. We have another one, M140. Let's see the M140. Watch. The M140. We love the M boys. Here comes the Carrera. We have the big man in the Murcielago Roadster. That noble sounds sick. What? Listen to that M2. Madness. Look at the crowd. Oh, I love this crowd, man. You feed them an M2 and they start running towards it. When you have the crowd eater now. How much we love a burnout, a big fat burnout. We love ourselves a big fat burnout. One more. Okay, Jesus. Oh my word. Yes. Love the launch from a turbo, by the way. It lost its splitter. Oh my word. Splitter or no splitter, still give us something, right? Wow. Come on, we love to see it. see it. One more from the arrest. That thing whooshed past. Love it, love to see it, love to see it.